much fun today. Good night, Diana. Have sweet dreams, and I'll see you tomorrow. Diana, you're snoring very loudly. I can't sleep like this. I got an idea. Better. Maybe this will help. Much better. Nothing works. Maybe I just have to use this.